If you're still throwing away your onion peels in 2026, then you might be making a very big mistake. Do you struggle with slow hair growth, excessive hair shedding, weak hair strands, thinning edges, bald spots, or hair that doesn't seem to be growing no matter how much effort you put in? Then you should count yourself lucky for coming across this video today, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to use onion peels and one other kitchen ingredient to tackle my slow hair growth, my excessive shedding, my weak hair strands, and my thinning edges. And if you like the benefits of onions but can't use them on your hair due to the smell, then why throw away your onion peels when they can still deliver many of the benefits that makes onions a favorite ingredient in the natural hair care, and of course without the smell. So if you're truly serious about growing your hair healthier and faster, then you don't want to joke with this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare this, how I use it, and also the mistakes to avoid while using this treatment. So please try your best to watch this video all through to the end so you don't miss out on any information. Hi natural lover, welcome to Everyday with Mandy. I'm so glad you found my channel. Please do well to smash the like button, and I would also like to know where you're watching me from. Now, I said we are going to be using 2 ingredients for this recipe, and obviously the first ingredient is the onion peel. So we'll be using a handful of the onion peel. One of my best parts about this treatment is that it's not just affordable, but it's very easy to prepare, and you can start seeing results from the first 2 weeks of using this treatment. The preparation method is not complicated at all, so I don't think you have an excuse not to try out this recipe. All you need to do is to get your onion peel from at least 2 to 3 onions, then go ahead, add water and wash it in order to get rid of dirt and dust. Then get a glass jar, a clean glass jar, or maybe a stainless plate, because we are going to be infusing these. Please do not use a plastic for the infusion, okay? You either use a glass jar or use a stainless or anything that is steel. And that is because when you infuse with a plastic plate, the plastic might release some chemicals that might react with your treatment, and that may be harmful for your scalp. After adding your onion peels into your jar, the next ingredient to be using is cloves. Cloves is one of the most popular and most used herbs when it comes to hair care. This herbs right here, as tiny as it is, it's been making wave in the hair growth community because of how potent and how powerful it is. And due to their stimulating properties, cloves helps to improve the appearance of thinning hair by supporting healthier looking strands. They help awaken and refresh your scalp, creating an environment that supports healthier hair growth. And when your scalp is healthy and properly cared for, your hair follicles are better able to produce strong, resilient strands. And all we are going to be using for this treatment is just 1 tablespoon of clove. So we are going to add it together with our washed onions peels. Trust me, you don't want to use too much cloves for this, except to be making a bigger batch, then you can multiply the cloves, but do not use too much if you're making the same quantity with mine, because cloves are really strong. Now you're going to carefully pour a cup of hot water over the onions peels and the clove. Please be careful with this part, you don't want to burn yourself. So I ended up adding extra little water because I spilled some of the water. And after pouring over the hot water, you want to go ahead and cover this up immediately so as to trap the heat. Covering this up immediately and trapping the heat is going to allow this ingredient to infuse more effectively. And to infuse, you are going to allow this to sit for at least 4 to 8 hours. You can also allow it to sit overnight if you want it more stronger and your scalp can tolerate it. And once you're done infusing, once the infusion period is completed, you're going to go ahead, strain this mixture in order to remove all the particles of the onions peels and the cloves. This treatment right here is very affordable, yet is rich in antioxidants, scalp supporting nutrients, and natural compounds that helps create a healthy environment for your hair growth. So if you know you're struggling with slow hair growth, hair thinning, weak roots, excessive shedding, dull hair, brittle strands, and maybe poor length retention, then you need to start using this treatment immediately. In as much as this treatment looks very easy, simple, and very affordable, is very potent and you get to see results faster. After straining, we are going to transfer this into a clean spray bottle or maybe a container or anything you're going to be using to apply this to your hair. Before transferring this into your spray bottle, if you have vegetable glycerin, you can go ahead and add in a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin into this. But since I'm not adding, I'm still going to go ahead to explain to you guys how I use this and how you're going to be using it to see results. So keep watching, and in case you've not yet liked this video, please smash the like button below and give this video a thumbs up. Before we talk about how to use this treatment effectively, let's talk about the storage. You're going to keep this treatment refrigerated and use it within 7 to 10 days. And if you ever notice any unusual smell, mold or cloudiness, discard this mixture and prepare a fresh batch. This treatment is one of my favorite, not because it's affordable and very easy to prepare, but because this is really effective, and I'm going to be showing you how I use this that's helped me achieve the results I have. The instruction is very simple. Start with a clean scalp. Pat your hair into section if your hair is out, but if it's unprotective style, your scalp is visible, so go ahead, spray the infusion directly into your scalp, focusing on areas you notice thinning, shedding and slow growth. And after applying and making sure everywhere is coated, you can go ahead, gently massage your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. The benefits of massaging your scalp after using a treatment cannot be overemphasized. Massaging helps distribute the treatment evenly and encourages good scalp circulation, so you don't want to miss massaging your scalp each time you use a treatment on your scalp. If you want, you can also slightly spray this infusion into your hair strands, not only your scalp, but the main focus is your scalp, but you can also extend it to your hair strands, okay? I prefer to use this treatment as a leave-in. That is to say, I apply it and I don't wash it out. But if you want, you can go ahead, carry this for about 30 minutes to an hour, then go ahead and rinse your hair off using warm water. But like I said, I use this as a leave-in treatment. I don't rinse it out. You're going to be using this treatment at least 3 to 4 times in a week if you actually want to see results. And here are some things you should avoid, or rather do, while using this treatment to see results. Try and be consistent with this treatment. Consistency matters a lot. Don't use it once a week and expect to see results. Be consistent. And secondly, dry hair breaks more easily, so please do not neglect moisture. Always keep your hair moisturized after using this treatment. Try as much as possible to stay away from tight hairstyles. Constant tensions can place stress on your hairline and scalp. And lastly, always detangle your hair with gentleness. Don't just focus on hair growth and ignore length retention. With all this being in check, your result is guaranteed. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.